Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm just going to share with you guys how I trade boom and crash, basically how I also trade volatility 75, jump 75 as well. I don't usually trade a step index, but I think you can use the same approach. I've not traded a range break for a long time, so maybe I'll look into that. But in any case, this video is about how easy it can be to just trade boom and crash, and I think this strategy also works on volatility 75 perfectly. What I notice about people is they trade a boom and crash the stressful way. You There's an easy way of trading a boom and crash, in my opinion, which is what I'm going to share with you in this video. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Like the video, leave your comments in the comment section below. If you also want free forex robots, indicators, books, courses, everything that we do on this channel is for free. So see the links in the description box below. We share everything there for free. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So what I usually do when I'm looking for opportunities on boom and crash, and what you want to do is also practice patience when you are trading this way. Sometimes people think the way to make money in trading is to always be in the market. You don't always have to be in the market. You only need to be in the market when your opportunities are going to be there in the market. So it's important that you pay attention to that. It's also especially considering how I trade. So how I trade synthetic indices and how I trade forex trading, your normal forex, is I'm big on supply and demand, support and resistance. I don't know what you call it. Let me just maybe thicken this line a bit so that everything is visible. Properties, let's look for weight. Let's use that weight, draw in the background. Yes, and let's do that. I think that line is now more visible. So what I usually do is I usually go either on the daily or the 4-hourly time frame. Daily or 4-hourly time frame. Then what I simply do is try to pick levels from that higher time frame. Try to pick levels where price seemed to have come and it was dancing around there before it moves. So here I'm just picking random levels so that I can just illustrate the point that I'm trying to make with you guys. But you can see these levels. You can use these levels either for scalping or for swing trading. Basically, for me, this is the no stress way of trading boom and crash. If we drop down to the 1 minute, sorry, this is the 1 minute time frame. This is what boom and crash looks like on the 1 minute time frame. And sometimes I see people trying to trade this, and I'm thinking, why are you stressing yourself? Why are you stressing yourself? People are trying to catch these spikes, or people are trying to catch these smaller candles. You know, if you trade a boom and crash, people are trying to catch these spikes because they've got a lot of money, and people are also trying to catch these smaller candles because they are safe. But when these spikes come, you are in trouble. And sometimes, well, you think the spike is going to come, but it doesn't come, and these smaller candles continue and continue and continue until you blow your account. It happens. I've been there, I've done it, I've seen it. Trust me. That's why I'm making these videos. Hopefully I can save you $5. Same thing on 5-minute time frame. People are trying to catch these spikes. When you catch them, if you have a strategy that you can use to catch these spikes, well, good for you. You are making a lot of money because they do have a lot of money. 15-minute time frame is almost same deal with the spikes. But notice if we go to the 1 hour time frame, the spikes start to disappear completely. They start to disappear completely. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, now the spikes don't even make sense. So what you want to do, in my opinion, is go to your higher time frame, daily or the 4-hour time frame, plot your levels from there. You can even use the line chart. You can even use the line chart just to get probably a more accurate picture of the levels that you are looking at, and nice everything down. Then what I like to do then is come to the 1-hour time frame, and I usually look at the candles. So what I would have done in this scenario here was probably sell from around this level, targeting this level. And if we break through this level, either with a massive candle, or we come and retest it, but we print another bearish candle again, something that shows me that there is interest. See, it just spiked there, so this is a clear level. It just jumped from here. That's a clear level, and you can see this even on the 1-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame, the advantage is you can trade a boom and crash just like normal forex. If you are good with forex trading, you can trade boom and crash if you are on higher time frames, and it becomes just like your normal forex pairs. Of course, you still have these jumps, but it's easier to expect them. Like I said, in this scenario, I probably would have sold from around this here. You can see there is a small box that we have there. I would have sold from there, targeting this level here. Then wait to see what's going to happen from here, because it just touched this level. I don't buy, I don't sell. I need something that tells me either it's going to push back up or it's a breakthrough. That's what I'm looking for. Your normal forex knowledge about support and resistance, supply and demand. That's all you need to do. Many people, of course, want to show off. Look at this nice level here. This is a nice level here. Let's say you probably was expecting a spike. You probably would have come to this level and placed your pending orders, but I don't usually advise again people to do that. But people are free to do whatever they want to do, because it's their money at the end of the day. So what people usually do is people want to show off. So they go to the 1-minute time frame and they try to catch the spikes. Sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't. When you don't, trust me, let's say you thought maybe there was going to be a spike somewhere around here, it was going to spike and go up, and then you put in your pending orders here and it doesn't happen. Trust me, this thing will stress you out. This thing will stress you out. I've been there, I've done it. Oh, you say to yourself, no, I'm now only going to trade the smaller candles, because those ones, at least those ones are certain and they are probably safe. I had a strategy where I would wait for a spike and trade the first 3 candles and I'm out. It worked for me, but sometimes it happens like this, or you just get one candle, you sell, and boom boom against you, and you're like, what's going on here? Broker is trying to tell you to take my money. And sometimes it's an even massive spike that takes you out of those trades. So this is a stressful way of trading. But if you go to the 30-minute or the 1-hour time frame, life becomes less stressful. You can actually plot levels where you might want to wait for price to come before you decide on a sell. For example, here, if on the line chart, you see there was a breakthrough, there was a retest, it sold. Here it probably broke through with massive force, which is a good indication that you probably should be thinking about buys. And you can also spot trends on the higher time frames. On the higher time frames, you can also spot the trend. So in this scenario here, we have this trend that is pushing up. So why would you want to be selling in this scenario? What you're going to be doing in this scenario is waiting for buy opportunities. Buy opportunities, you buy. We broke through around from this area here. This was a good opportunity to buy. This was a good opportunity to buy. Let me just zoom in a bit. This was an opportunity to buy. This was an opportunity to buy, an opportunity to buy, an opportunity to buy, an opportunity to buy, and it pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and you'll be looking for your targets. Opportunity to buy, opportunity to buy, and you'll be looking out for the targets that you have set either on the 4-hourly or the daily time frame. That's how easy it can be to trade a boom and crash. It's not rocket science, but you guys, well, you want to show off on the 1 minute time frame, catching these spikes and showing off and stuff like that. It's all good. If it's working for you, it's all good. But yeah, I just thought let me share this video with you guys. If you learned anything, well, give the video a like, leave your comments in the comment section below. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.